You're watching this stuff unfold on the news, right? You're watching, watching and hoping that your government, other governments are going to do more, and you're not really seeing it. Okay, and then you kind of get that. Okay, I have a specific skill that I know is needed because you talk to people on the ground through Facebook or something like that. You just know there's a skill set that's needed. For me, one of the tipping points was a very graphic image that was floating around for a while about a woman. She was Christian. She was kidnapped by Daesh. She was raped, something absurd, 30 some odd times in a day, beaten, mutilated. That actually didn't kill her. What they actually did was they took a crucifix and they basically just jammed it in her throat and asphyxiated her while they were beating her and raping her. And that just kind of that image is frozen in my mind. It's wow,
Where did you see that image?
It was floating around on Facebook briefly, and actually it's still floating around a little bit. But it's graphic, it's horrifying. No one wants to look at that. But that for me was a point where I was like, you know what, I have a skill set that can help possibly, maybe not necessarily directly prevent it, but if I keep these guys healthy, then yes, that will prevent that from happening because I can keep these guys moving forward, moving the line forward, and you know what, then maybe those kind of images won't have to ever happen again.